Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
So there was only one major point to discuss. One was basically a demolition of that Elder Auto building. Now, as our cooperative councillor had mentioned, that building has been in a dilapidated condition now for a very long time. It is leaning on another building. So we've basically taken a decision to basically demolish the building for the interest and the safety of the corporation and everybody else also. That was one major point. Regarding the people over there? See, as of now, we will deploy an inspector there with some workers. The situation over there is quite horrible actually. People are extremely unruly and they're disturbing the lives of these people. So we'll try this. If this doesn't work, then we'll come up with a different solution. See, we can only find them for littering and stuff like that. But in terms of general, if it's a disciplinary action, then we'll have to call the police for it. We can just request them basically to just...
So there, 2 days back there was a video which was circulating on Instagram regarding the tourists who were dancing in the middle of the road. This is there are a lot of tourists who come, they dance in the middle of the road, take videos, and they disturb the peace of the people in Fontainebleau and Saint Thomas. They create a nuisance. The traffic is there, block the traffic. So we have brought up to the notice of the mayor and the commissioner about it, and the commissioner has said that he's going to deploy some of the municipal engineers to help to ease this situation. So we're looking forward to have some peace in another few days' time.